auspicious occasion as we recognize the excellence and outstanding achievements of our beloved OFWs. And we are honored to celebrate and acknowledge the success of our entrepreneurs.
Today's event is not just a gathering, but a celebration of the spirit of innovation, resilience, and entrepreneurial journey that many of you have already embarked on or are about to begin. This forum aims to transform those ideas into sustainable ventures. Our goal is to equip you with the right tools, knowledge, and networks to help you transition from being employees abroad to successful business owners here at home.
Today's event is an open doors for OFWs who aspire to succeed as entrepreneurs, to explore sustainable livelihood opportunities, equip themselves with the necessary skills in business development, and gain insights from experts in the business field.
As OFW, as kapamilyang sa OFW, may isipin mo sa ibang buhaton. Pero for how many years na ka-standby siya, kung wala ka prepare mo na kung may tinanimayanihin. Diba? So, kung untimely siya, magnanga ka. Farming me, nag-rice farming. So, bisag mabae ko, bisag wala ko nakatunan ng mag-rice farming, di pa rin kamutan ako sa studio para makatumpong nga na may additional income during vacation sa akong husband na kami ang magamit.
Siya lang yun ang nagpalago sa akong kahag. Muna siya na lang akong baistoryahon.
Ang goal yun na mo sa una is to let him retire early. So gusto ko magkuyog ni together with my children. As a family, I told my children na we have to work, teamwork. So I told my husband na kani mo magkwarta ito ni pamalat ug mga yani. So tuod man daghan kay kog na pamalit o wala na ko ipautang sa akong paryente. So mao tong mga struggle na ako na makaingon ka ba, masama na kung masama. Hindi naman ka makapautang sa imong paryente. Pero now, it is very financially working because daghan na kaayo mi o investment because agi niya, then I have my income also. So ang focus namin ngayon is since we are in the 50-ish, living our life with a purpose.
Niadto ko sa abroad kay tungod na ako'y goal o pinanggat na ako family. Mas dili gyud siya easy kay that time, mga young guest, kay 1.5-year-old. Despite sa mga challenges, nakaya po ba na ako. Pag ulit na ako, pila na sweldo sa Hong Kong. So, nako'y family. Pero, wise ko, dito sa Hong Kong, anak ko kwarta. Akong gimuwan na ako dito, nagpalit kong baka diri. Sa tinuod lang, ang akong baka karon makapanghambog ko. More than 20 or 30 na sila kabuo.
I've been an OFW for 19 years sa Saudi Arabia, working as pharmacist. And then when I was there for 19 years, kuripot kay ko paras ni ma'am. Also, kung ikumpara ko sa lain OFWs, every time magsweldo, magpanon na sila sa mall, mag-shopping, kay na i-sale. So, dili na ako na ginabuhat nga no, naa sa kong utok, I won't be staying here forever. Dili ko perme dire. Akong goal is to be financially stable, and then I want to be with my kids. So what I'm trying to say is, ang challenge is, dapat dili ka muundang o learn sa new skills or learn ka pa more sa imong kaugalingon, develop yun imong kaugalingon because that is your only capital.
How it is to be an OFW. I had been in KSA for more than 2 years po as a nurse. In 2011, we are an OFW family po. Na-realize na ko, when I went back here, I did not see myself as an entrepreneur actually. It also pays no na naakay si Mami Manggod, negosyante gid siya. But it also pays na naapog kay right partner pod na makatabang pod sa imuhan mag-handle sa business or unsa inyong mga vision for the business, no? And mag-handle sa money na iyang savings.
Tapos na pagbalik na ako dito sa Pilipinas is because in 2012, there's this guy na tigulang na siya, 65 years old, Pinoy. So while na nag-drive kami pa uli, ipamunta na ako siya, ko, Tay, pila na katuig diri sa Kuwait? Ana siya, kung ako dong, wala pa gira diri sa Kuwait, mga 1993, na siya, balingon, na parang tumatak na, parang ipamunta na ako kung galingon, na dili pwede, na muabot ko sa point na may nga napod ko. So by 2012, i-educate na ako kung galingon. Buo na akong desisyon. Huli na lang ko, farm na lang ko. Although dili madali kayo ang proseso, kay kinanglan ni Mugiyot. Comply tanan ang requirements na pangayon nilang ba. Pero na-approve ko. So farm, dili po kayo sayo. Grabe kayo kong challenge na na-encounter sa pag-proseso aning farm. Karon na ko ingani, I'm proudly to say na nano ko yung product.
Ako saka ex-abroad sa Saudi. Pasalamat ako sa opportunity nga naka-attend ko karon diri sa mao nga business forum. Nakadungag og nakatabang sa ko nakadungag og idea sa business.
Good afternoon. I would like to thank OWA once again for inviting us to this business forum here in Digos. As an OFW coming home, starting my own business, very inspiring to see OFW succeeding. Some also wanting to succeed on their own, but with the assistance of all these government agencies that are here. Salamat kayo, OWA, once again. More power and God bless.
I want to thank OWA for this prestigious and honorable opportunity to speak to my fellow OFWs, hopefully to inspire them and help them and guide them in teaching them what and how to invest, where to put their money, and what to do as an OFWs, to not lose hope, to always be the best and invest in themselves, to always have the purpose and always believe in God. Thank you so much, OWA, once again, and I'm so happy. This is a very good opportunity for me. Daghang salamat, OWA, and daghang salamat, my fellow OFWs.